Hi, this is Asar Shah over here, and today I'm going to discuss about, or rather, tell you about a very good app that you can use for learning on the go. They have very small lessons, 2 to 3 minute lessons, and they give you a basic introduction of what you're learning. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the name of that app is Primer. It's a Google app. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your mobile phone and write down Primer app. This is the app. See, it's given a 4.6 star rating, and you can learn lots and lots of topics from digital marketing, in designing. All the courses in this app are related to planning, management, sales, advertisement, social media, content strategy, SEO analytics, boarding, branding, and so on. So I hope you like this short video and you're going to install this app into your mobile and learn all these lessons and be great in your business or whatever you're doing. Thank you.